Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 Safe Mode. The PlayStation 5 Safe Mode can seem daunting, but many common issues have straightforward solutions. First, ensure your console is completely powered off, then press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This properly accesses the Safe Mode menu, allowing us to begin troubleshooting effectively and safely. A simple power cycle often clears minor errors. Completely unplug your PlayStation 5 from the wall outlet and disconnect all peripherals for at least 60 seconds. Also, carefully check all cables connecting to your console, ensuring they are firm and undamaged. Try connecting to a different television port or using an alternative HDMI cable to rule out display issues. Within the Safe Mode menu, selecting Rebuild Database is a powerful and safe first fix. This process scans your storage drive and creates a new database of all content, similar to defragmenting a computer. It generally takes between 5 and 20 minutes to complete, depending on your storage usage, and helps resolve many common system errors without data loss. If rebuilding the database doesn't work, updating your system software is the next logical step. Download the latest system software update file onto a USB drive from the official PlayStation website. Create a folder named PS5, then another inside it named Update, and place the file there. Plug the USB into your console, then select Update System Software from the Safe Mode menu.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.